rain coming. It makes a beautiful sound. Don't disqualify yourself, because God has not disqualified you from worship. He's not disqualified from you being a part of His family. And it can start with one person clapping. But what a beautiful sound when it all comes together. It's a saying. God has given us gifted and talented people to lead us in worship. Let's follow.